Hi guys, very good morning to all of you. Myself Dr. Anil Kumar, HOD, PG Department of Chemistry, Sahibganj College, Sahibganj, which comes under SKMU University, Dumka. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel Hotspot Chemistry by Dr. Anil Kumar. With the request of UGPG students and teachers, today a very important interesting topic entitled Effect of Pesticides on Human Health in Environmental Chemistry will be delivered. In this topic, I will discuss in a nutshell about brief introduction on pesticides, symptoms of pesticides, effects of pesticides, acute that is immediate health effect of pesticides, chronic that is long term effect of pesticides, effect of pesticides directly or indirectly, effect of pesticides on human health, real effect of pesticides, health effect of pesticides, impacts of pesticides, diagrammatically represent explanation of effects of pesticides on human health, complex environment flowchart of children due to pesticides, risk of pesticides to human health. These all the important topics will be delivered in this lecture. Pesticides are chemicals used in the agriculture to protect crops against insects, fungi, weeds and other pests. Farmers use pesticides to control the growth of weeds and prevent crop damage by insects, rodents and molds. After harvest, pesticides are used to increase the storage life and prevent spoilage. Pesticides may also be used on animal farms to control insect pests. Pesticide residues are a public health concern and have a link to a range of diseases and disorders. But pesticides are also potentially toxic to humans, and thus they provide adverse health effects including cancer, effects on reproduction, immune system and nervous system. Poisoning from pesticides is a global public health problem. Pesticides are used extensively in agriculture and domestic settings. Pesticides have shown to be involved in the pathogenesis of Parkinson and Alzheimer's diseases as well as the various disorders of the respiratory and reproductive tracts. Oxidative stress caused by pesticides can damage DNA, which can cause malignancies and other disorders. What are the symptoms of pesticides? That is irritation of the nose, throat, eyes, skin, headache, dizziness, loss of appetite, diarrhea, sweating, weakness of fatigue, restlessness, nervousness, insomnia, mental confusion, abdominal cramps. These are the symptoms which occurs. What are the effects of pesticides? Humans can be exposed to pesticides by breathing it and getting it into their mouth or absorbing it through the skin. Dermal exposure happens when the skin is exposed to pesticides and thus irritation and burn occurs. Excessive use of pesticides. Pesticides can cause short-term adverse health effects called acute effects as well as chronic adverse effects that can occur months or years after exposure. Acute immediate health effects symptoms are staining eyes, rashes, blisters, blindness, nausea, dizziness, diarrhea, death, even asthma. Chronic long-term effects symptoms like cancers, birth defects, reproductive harm, neurological problem, developmental toxicity, immune toxicity, disruption of endocrine system, blood circulation problems, stress responses. Also, children have a higher respiratory rate and so inhale airborne pesticides at a faster rate than adults. Children are in contact with floors, lawns and playgrounds and thus their behavior also increases their exposure due to pesticides. It is remarkable to note that pesticides may be used in a very widely manner so that the production growth may be maintained and also proper warning must be kept in mind in respect of health hazards due to pesticides. So to avoid the contamination of food and pesticides, farmers should use alternative methods like integrated pest management, that is called IPM, crop rotation, organic farming. Also, Indians should also consume organic food products to escape from the harmful effect of pesticides. Persons may be affected by pesticides indirectly through: number 1, exposure to dust, soil contaminated with pesticides, clothing contaminated with pesticides, toys for kids contaminated with pesticides, farm workers' home when they are in contact with family at home, presence of pesticides residues in fishes, milk, vegetables leads to cancer. Pesticides like DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, DDD, PCB, polychlorinated biphenyls leads to high cancer risk to consumers. Pesticides effects may be acute, giving headache, body ache, skin rashes, work concentration lapses, nausea, dizziness, impaired vision to the consumers. Pesticides can gain entry into human beings through direct contaminated food, water, air, and also chronic effects like cancers, birth defect, diabetes. WHO, World Health Organization, estimates between 1 million and 5 million acute pesticide poisoning occur annually, resulting 20,000 deaths. Effect of pesticides on human health. Health effect on people with direct exposure. Persons who are most affected are the persons who are involved in actual application and who works in areas. Application of pesticide takes place, example, in farm sprayers, farm workers. Number B, common health effects like cancer, depression, neurological defects, diabetes. Exposure to organochlorine handling of organophosphates compounds leads to diabetes, respiratory diseases, general health, multiple diseases such as asthma in children by the use of pesticides, parathion, organophosphates, bronchitis, and other several diseases. Number C, women-specific disorder. Miscarriages among women exposure to pesticides like abamectin, imidacloprid, deltamethrin, primicarb. Disturb the normal estrogen and testosterone balance during pregnancy by the exposure of organochloride pesticides. Menopause, hormonal disorders, immunity of the person is less. Real effect of pesticides. In a tabular form, we will see what are the different pesticides trade name and what are the effects and what are the symptoms which occur in humans, wildlife, children, or etc. Number one trade name is camphiclor. Its symptoms are cancer suspect, toxic to fish, very persistent. Number 2 is chlorine, heptachlor. Its symptoms are leukemia, toxic to wildlife. Number 3 is chlordiamephane. Symptoms are cancer suspect, bladder damage, toxic to wildlife. Fourth one is DBCP. It is symptoms are cancer risk, male sterility, persist in water. Number 5 is DDT. DDT can cause cancer causing, it damages liver, nervous system, brain, extremely persistent, toxic. Number 6 is aldine, dialdine, andrine. Symptoms are cancer suspect, birth defect, very persistent, toxic to wildlife. EDB. Symptoms are birth defect, lung, liver damage, very persistent. Number 8 is BHC and trade name is Linden. Long-term effect or symptoms are miscarriages, leukemia suspect, toxic to fish. Number 9 is paraquat. No antidote for this, no antidote is there, and lung scarring. Number 10 is endosulfan, that is NSD. It damages the nervous system. Number 11 is PCP. It damages also liver and skin diseases. Number 12 is dibromochlorophene 2,4-D. Its symptoms are impaired fertility in males. Number 13 is organophosphates and carbonates. It attacks the brain, damages the nervous system, headache, nausea, dizziness, vomiting, chest pain, diarrhea, muscle pain, confusion occurs. Number 14 is organochlorines. It is banned and the trade name is Linden parathion. It affects the nervous system, vomiting, confusion, headache, dizziness. Health effect of pesticide. Acute. There are different types of effects: acute effect, long-term effects, reproductive effect. In acute effects, acute health problems may occur in workers that handle pesticides, like abdominal pain, dizziness, headache, nausea, vomiting, skin, eye, and several other problems. In long-term effects like cancer, leukemia, lymphoma, brain damage, kidney, prostate damage, pancreatic problems, liver, lungs, and skin cancer also occur. Mother's occupational exposure to pesticides during pregnancy causes child risks such as leukemia, tumor, and also brain cancer. In reproductive effect, birth defects are there, fetal deaths are there, altered fetal growth. What are the impacts of pesticides? Generally, pesticides are used in countryside, urban areas, homes, and gardens. And there are impacts on health, pregnant mothers, on children, drain economics, decreases the biodiversity, impacts of water, soil, and air. Number one, impacts on health. In impacts of health, exposure can cause fertility and reproductive issues, diabetes, obesity, Parkinson's diseases, cancers, asthma, depression, anxiety. Impacts of pesticides on pregnant mothers and children. It is very sensitive as exposure can cause disruption to endocrine systems, neurodevelopment issues, and other disorders. Impacts of pesticides on drains economics. It drains the economy. That is, pesticides cause illness and injury resulting in lost work days. Exploitative markets keep farmers on the pesticide treadmill. Crop development resistance and incorrect use affects yields. Impacts of pesticides decreases the biodiversity. Pesticides declines the bees and pollinators, beneficial insects, birds, mammals, aquatic animals, and non-target plants, etc. Impacts of pesticides is on water, soil, and air. Runoff contaminates surface and groundwater. Soil microorganisms and earthworms are poisoned, affecting soil fertility. And drift and volatilization contaminate air, rain, fog, and water. Effect of pesticides in human body. Diagrammatically, we will see the different effects of pesticides in different parts of the human body. Here we can see headache, loss of consciousness in left side, Parkinson's diseases, breast cancer, allergic sensitization, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, diabetes and obesity, appearance of cyst in ovaries. In right hand side, eye and skin irritation, neurological disorders, hyper and hypothyroidism and thyroid tumors, extreme weakness, seizures, even death. Reduced semen quality with consequent decreased fertility, genital malformations, testicular and prostate cancer. In downside, there is early puberty, testicular and prostate cancer. By the diagram, we see that here we can easily see what are the symptoms in different parts of the body, whether it is in brain, whether it is in stomach, whether it is in liver, whether it is in reproductive system, whether it is the leg, hands, nose, ear. In different systems we are seeing in this, and that is complex information environment flow chart of children due to pesticides, agriculture, veterinary, cosmetic, human health, public health, home, school, playground, farms, yields, air, water, food, soil and objects. All comes from eating and drinking contaminated food and beverage, playing in contaminated etc. This gives susceptibilities, paraoxygen PON, critical windows, age, nutritional status, poverty. This leads to all the children, acute effects, poisoning, neurotoxicity, cancer, impaired development. What are the risks of pesticides to human health? Basically, long-term effect of pesticides: cancer, lymphoma, birth defect, breast cancer, decreases body's ability to fight infection, Parkinson's diseases, sterility. And what are the pesticides hazards? How pesticides get in inhalation, through food on water, absorption through skin, exposure levels, chronic exposure, acute exposure, hazards, health effects. It affects the central nervous system, eye irritation occurs, hormones imbalance occurs, cancer suspectation, liver damage, skin irritation, and reproductive effects are there. Inhalation by skin contact, by different products, by ingestion, inhalation, by skin contact. This, this is clear by the figure toxic chemical exposure. This all the slides, whatever the data is taken, it is by to the references google.com, pesticidesform.org, omnionline.org, mdapi.com, academic.com, google.com, slideslayer.net, bridgebiotechnology.com, researchgate.net, sbr.com, locate ENMM, signature, wordpress.com, pan-uk.org, Wikipedia, and different environmental books like Environmental Chemistry by A.K. Day, Environmental Chemistry by S.C. Bharti, CBC publication, Advanced Environmental Chemistry by B.K. Ahluwalia, Environmental Chemistry by Stanley E. Mahanan, by Taylor and Francis, Environmental Chemistry, Asian Relations by B.N. Bhashkin, Image Custody of Team Earth, Oblique Facebook, and other resources which are not mentioned in these slides. Thank you. And these whole parts are edited and designed by myself, Dr. Anil Kumar, HOD, PG Department Chemistry, Sahibganj College, Sahibganj, and my two beloved students, Pratik Mohan Mishra, Stephen Hanster of Sahibganj College, Sahibganj. Hope you all enjoyed the lecture and hope you will get maximum marks in the coming exam. Now, please subscribe or comment or like, share or bell the channel Hot Spot Chemistry by Dr. Anil Kumar. Next day with a new topic. Have a good luck. Stay at home, stay safe and stay healthy. Very soon a new topic, interesting and informative topic you will get very soon in Hot Spot Chemistry by Dr. Anil Kumar in YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good luck.